This is a 2017 Ford F-250 Lariat. This is a complete custom build by Rolling Big Power. Every inch of the truck has been touched. The RBP logos in the suspension. You've got custom Fox shocks. RBP logo again here on the gas cap. Custom wheels and RBP logo center caps. This truck comes complete with light bars, underglow, a spare gas tank in the trunk, 16-inch lift on it. You open up the door here, you've got the power running boards, a custom leather interior. This one actually has a 5-stage tune, which is kind of different than we see on most of our Ford F-250s. This also has a train horn. Up front, you've even got custom headlights that say 6.7 liter. Just a sick truck all the way around. Come on by, see us, 320 West Ashley Road, Bradley Automotive, or give me a call, 660-676-0002.
Bradley Automotive, Truck Town, right from Bradley, Boonville Truck Stop.